One of the tours I really enjoyed in Hanoi, Vietnam was our trip to the Incense Village. I've already shared some of my favorite activities in Hanoi, so if you haven't seen this video, and this one, do check out my TikTok playlist. And if you want a copy of our itinerary, comment Hanoi itinerary and I'll share it with you. So at 1 p.m., we got picked up at our chosen pickup point in the Old Quarter. Ang ganda ng van nila, very spacious and comfy. Nabook lang namin sila sa Klook. If you want to book this as well, don't forget to use my promo code TRAVELERKLOOK to get a discount. Pwede nyo rin gamitin yung code sa iba pang mga travel activities na ibabook nyo sa Klook. After about an hour and a half, we got to our first stop, a local shop making handmade conical hats. They explained how these iconic Vietnamese hats are made. Inuuna nila yung frame ng hats gamit yung mga bamboo. Isa-isa nila yung iniikot. Tapos, papatuyuin na nila yung palm leaves sa araw, hahampas-hampasin para lumambot, lalagyan ng chemical para maging ganyan ang kulay, at paplansyahin para maunat. Sa kanila yung isa-isang dinidikit sa frame. Some of them, several layers ang pinagpapatong-patong para mas matibay. It was amazing to witness how much work and effort are put into each handmade hat. Ang gaganda ng mga sample hats nila dito. May mga hand-painted at meron ding mga embroidered. And then they put varnish para ma-preserve yung hat. Pwede ring bilhin yung mga gawa ng hats dito. We had a chance to paint our own hats. Kasama na yun sa binayaran namin. Pwedeng mamili ng iba't ibang sizes na meron sila. May mga naka-ready ng paint at brushes. So kanya-kanya na kaming pwesto para gumawa ng sarili naming mga souvenirs. Bring alcohol and wet wipes with you. After this, pumunta na kami sa Incense Village na 10-minute drive na lang from our first stop. Before namin i-explore yung iba't ibang stages ng incense making, we had a nice photo shoot here. Apparently, sikat daw to sa mga celebrities. We loved our experience here kasi sobrang friendly ng may-ari. Siya mismo yung nag-picture-picture sa amin. May Vietnamese flag, may walkway, at may mga hanging incense. May second floor para makashoot ng top view tapos may mga ladders din. Favorite shot namin yung papasok ka sa gitna tapos lalagyan mo rin ng incense sa harap. Ang ganda ng framing yan. Dinala nila kami sa iba't ibang areas ng paggawa ng insenso. Dito nila sinasala yung mga kahoy, pinipili kung anong magandang quality. Tapos dito naman sa machine na to, pinapanipis yung kahoy hanggang sa maging ganitong size siya, perfect for making incense. Pagdating naman dito, quality check ulit, binabagsak yung isang bundle sa sahig, tapos sinatanggal yung mga nakausli na iiba yung size from the rest of the bundle. Tapos pinapadaan yan ulit sa machine na to para matanggal yung mga ibang sizes. Tapos papadaanin pa ulit yan dito para malaglag sa ilalim yung hindi pantay na stick. After ng lahat ng QA, kinukulayan nila yung mga insenso. Pero mostly for decoration lang daw yan. Lastly, nilalagyan na nila ng fragrancing stick. Pinaka-common raw na nilalagay ay yung cinnamon. There you go, enjoy Vietnam!